Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and we're going to start off with a little French. We're going to have a very Votino set today. I actually saw Aggie do one. If you're not familiar with her, she's got a great channel. Go check her out. Shoot, what is the name of her channel? I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen for you guys. One of my favorites. She does wonderful work. And this set, Votino's not the only one who does this kind of thing. There are other people out there that do the half French thing. We're going to do 2 full Frenches, one on this thumbnail, and then we're going to repeat that on the middle finger as well. And my color scheme here is very pink, very light pink. It's super subtle, except for we're going to make a bright pink line. So you'll see what I mean. Guys, I'm sorry about my voice. It keeps going out. I don't know what's going on. I have to see my doctor this month, so I'll talk to her about it and see what she recommends. But it doesn't really hurt. It sounds like it would, but it doesn't really hurt. My voice is awful. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm guessing maybe allergies, right? Because also my nose is a little runny, and every once in a while I get a little wheezing from my asthma, and so I'm chalking it up to allergies. But my voice doesn't usually get affected by allergies, so it's kind of freaking me out. So sorry about the voice. So once we finish the French, we're going to start the other nails. We're going to have 2 colors. This really pretty light blue, kind of a powdery blue, and then we're also going to, as you can see there on my little palette, there's a purple, like a super dusty lavender color. All the colors we're using today are Model 1s. Nothing on this set is not Model 1s. The base coat, the top coat, everything except what we're going to sugar with is by Model 1s. So if you're curious what it is, it's all going to be listed down in the description box, so you can check that out. I'm a fan of all these colors. These are the colors that came with that set that I thought was going to be all cat eyes, but really was just one silver cat eye polish. So we're going to get use out of it for sure, but still feeling a little disappointed I didn't get 5 colors that were actually cat eyes. But whatever. It's still good. I know you didn't see me fill in the bottom part of the French on the half French here, but I was out of frame on every single nail I did that to. So I'm super, super sorry about that, but it didn't make sense to leave the footage in when you literally could not see anything I was doing. So that's my mistake, my bad, and I will work better. Now what I'm doing is putting a top coat on, because we're going to sugar. Everything after this is going to be sugar. So you want to get that everything else top coated before you do the sugaring, because otherwise you're never going to get the top coat in all the nooks and crannies. So, and you would really ruin your sugaring. So I'm top coating first, and there is a nail that you're not seeing that's going to get top coated as well, but it's in the lamp right now, and so I didn't bother to show it. So you know what top coating looks like. You're not missing anything, right? So now everyone's been doing flowers on their half Frenches, and I love that look, and I almost went that way, but I do too many of those flowers as it is already. So I thought, what would I want to do? And then it just came to me, I want to do dragonflies. So that's what we're doing. We're just going to make a few dragonflies. I'm only going to show you a couple though, because there are 6 total on the set, and it would just get a little bit repetitive, right? So I'm just going to show you 2. Here we go. We're going to make another body here. Really, really cute. Super easy. It's dots. And then on the actual body, I just sort of extend the dot down a little bit so that it's more like a little oval, almost like a rectangle-y oval sort of situation. And then come in with another couple dots and make the wings. Boom. Dragonfly. It's not the most intricate dragonfly, but from far away you wouldn't see intricateness. Interesting. That was a choice. You wouldn't see the intricacies of the Dragonfly. So just imagine that you're seeing these guys from a distance. There you go. Let's go ahead and put down one more. Just so that you get the whole point, I guess. I don't know. I could have just shown one, but I think showing a couple is nice, right? That way you get to really watch what I'm doing. But I didn't want to show all 6 because, again, that's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. I did find that if you touch the sugaring with the color, it does sort of suck it up. So if you don't like that look, just be really careful not to touch your sugaring or to do all of the art before you sugar. And that's a little more difficult, but not impossible. So you can totally go that direction. Now I'm just adding some dots because I felt like there was too many empty spaces and that some pretty little dot configurations would be nice. And I really do like it. I think it just looks cute. There you go. Nothing else than it just looks cute. Maybe it's some pollen in the air or something. Now on the 2 Frenches, I could have just left them, but I thought they need something special too. So I've got these little crystal clusters, and I thought I would just pop those on there real quick. And I did put the gem juice on the gem and not on the nail, only because I figured it would be hard to get it right. So there you go. Guys, this is the set. I'm in love with these. They're very Votino, but very GG. So there you go. I hope you like them too. If you do, let me know if you'd wear them. We're going to see you in the next video next week. And until then, mwah!